Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create the couple birthday Moonphase wallpaper. So this is now trending on TikTok, and you need two apps. You need to open your browser and also use a photo editor for this trend. First you need to go to your browser and then just type in the moonphase.co.uk. Okay, so here the Moonphase has been open, and you can just scroll down until you find the calendar at the bottom, and in here you just need to fill in your birthday. So let's say my birthday is on February, and then after that you can just go up again, and this is the moon in my birthday. You can just click on the image, and then after that just long press and then click on download. And now you need to do the same thing again for your partner birthday. I'm going to change the date. Okay, and then go back up, and now click on the image and download again like you did on the first one. Then after that you need to open the photo editor. You can use PixArt, you can use Epic, or any other photo editor. In this case I'm gonna be using Epic, and then I'm going to use the background, a black background like this. Okay, and then find the option to add photos and add the photos of the moon, the first moon in here, and then add another one for the second moons. Okay, so you can just place it and also resize it as you like. Then after that you can also adjust. I'm going to adjust on this one maybe to make it a little brighter. Okay, like this. Then after that, if you're done, you can just download the picture, and after that in your gallery or your phone gallery you can make this picture as your wallpaper. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.